This is the easiest blueberry pie recipe, just sweet, juicy blueberries that rest on top of a buttery shortbread. So let me show you how we make it. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Using an electric hand mixer, mix together 2½ tablespoons of salted butter and 2 tablespoons of sugar in a medium-sized bowl until well blended. Add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and mix until combined. Then you'll press the dough firmly into a lightly buttered 5-inch baking dish using your fingertips or the back of a spoon. Put the baking dish in the oven and bake for 18 to 20 minutes until the crust is lightly golden. Remove the baking dish from the oven and set it aside to cool. It takes about 20 minutes. To make the filling, you'll start by putting 12 ounces of blueberries, which is about 1 pint, in a bowl, and add 4 tablespoons of sugar and 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and mix the ingredients together. Zest a lemon and add in 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest to the mixture. Then cut and squeeze the lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to the mixture. Mix the ingredients until well combined. Now pour the mixture over the cooled cookie crust. Spread the mixture out so that it is even. Put the pie on a baking sheet and bake it for 45 to 50 minutes. Remove the pie from the oven, let it cool for 2 to 3 hours. So if you want to add a little bit of whipped cream, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a small batch of it to go on top of your own mini pie. I have a bowl that's been in my freezer, so it's nice and cold. And we're going to pour into a small bowl about 1/4 cup of heavy cream. You can use heavy whipping cream, sometimes it's called double cream, or just use heavy cream. And then I add usually 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of sugar, but since the pie is pretty sweet, I'm just gonna go with about 1 teaspoon. Make it like you like it. Okay, here we go. There we have it, beautiful whipped cream to top your pie, or any dessert really. So add a little top to our pie. And there we go, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow, like, and subscribe to see all of our recipe videos. Also, please visit onedishkitchen.com, where we have hundreds of single-serving recipes, including this blueberry pie recipe. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.